Hi, this is Sayos. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Are you ready to explore the most powerful tool in cybersecurity without wasting a time? Meet Kali Linux, a powerful for ethical hackers, penetration testers, and cybersecurity professionals. Kali Linux is an open-source operating system designed specifically for cybersecurity. Built on Debian, it offers a robust platform loaded with over 600 tools tailored for penetration testing and security auditing. So, who's it for? Kali Linux isn't your everyday operating system. It's crafted for professionals, ethical hackers, penetration testers, cybersecurity experts, and even web admins. What makes Kali Linux so special? It comes pre-installed with an arsenal of applications to tackle every cybersecurity challenge imaginable. Whether it's exploitation tools, forensics, hardware hacking, information gathering, password cracking, wireless attacks, and more. Ethical hackers, the white hats, use their skills to find vulnerabilities before the black hats can exploit them. One of the most popular operating systems for this work is Kali Linux, a Debian-based distro preloaded with penetration testing tools. In this video, we'll explore top 18 Kali Linux tools every aspiring white hat needs to know. We'll break down what each tool does, how it works, and why it's essential for ethical hacking. This video has got you covered. Around for over 2 decades and remains one of the most versatile tools. Nmap lets you scan networks to see connected devices, operating systems, open ports, and more. Its flexibility allows for simple scans or advanced techniques like SYN scans and OS fingerprinting. Nmap can handle huge networks, scanning thousands of devices at once. It's open source, constantly updated by a community of developers. If you're a network admin or an ethical hacker, Nmap is so important. Nmap features are supports advanced techniques for effective network mapping. It can scan lots of devices quickly, works on almost any computer system, and the best part, it's free. Next, we've got the Metasploit framework, a playground for ethical hackers. It's a massive collection of exploits, payloads, and tools for testing system security. Metasploit is user-friendly, with both command line and graphical interfaces. It automates tasks like scanning for vulnerabilities and exploiting them. Open source and constantly evolving, Metasploit is a must-have for serious ethical hackers. Check it out. Now let's talk about WiFishark, a network protocol analyzer. It captures and analyzes network traffic in real time, like a microscope for your network, useful for troubleshooting, analyzing performance, and understanding protocols. WiFishark offers features for filtering, searching, and analyzing traffic. It's free and open source, making it an invaluable tool for network analysis. Dive in and explore. AirCracking, a suite of tools for auditing wireless networks. It's best known for cracking Wi-Fi passwords by capturing data packets and using algorithms to crack encryption keys. It also supports operating systems such as Linux, NetBSD, OpenBSD, FreeBSD, macOS, Windows, Solaris, and Ecom Station 2. Cracking modern Wi-Fi encryption is tough, but AirCrack is valuable for auditing your own networks. Use it to check for weak passwords and identity. And database servers. Further, it is suited for network traffic capture, encryption of private keys, disks and file systems, archives and document files. JohnThe Ripper is powerful and can crack a wide variety of password hashes. It's important to use this tool ethically and responsibly. Dive in and explore its capabilities. Check it out. Let's talk about OWASP Zap, a user-friendly web application security tool. Designed for beginners, it has a graphical interface and automated features like a spider and scanner. Zap detects a wide range of web application vulnerabilities. It's constantly updated with new features and exploits. Free and open source, Zap is a powerful tool for web app security. Download it and start using it right away. Now let's talk about NCTO, a web server scanner. It finds common vulnerabilities in web servers by sending requests and analyzing responses. Detects outdated software, misconfigured settings, and vulnerable files. NCTO generates a lot of traffic, so use it wisely. Valuable for security audits and penetration tests. Dive in and explore its features. Beef! The Browser Exploitation Framework. It's an attack framework for launching attacks against web browsers. Injects JavaScript code into a target's browser, giving you control. Framework for creating phishing and social engineering attacks. Includes tools for crafting convincing emails, websites, and phone calls. Powerful, but must be used ethically and legally. Social engineering attacks can have serious consequences. Use SET for educational or authorized testing purposes. Moving on, let's talk about Maltego, an open-source intelligence, OSINT, and graphical link analysis tool. gathers information from publicly available sources and visualizes it. Useful for tracking online presence, mapping social networks, and uncovering hidden connections. Powerful for investigators, journalists, and OSINT enthusiasts. Complex but incredibly powerful. If you're serious about OSINT, Maltego is worth checking out. Finally, we've got Netcat, a versatile networking tool, often called the Swiss Army knife of networking tools. Create TCP and UDP connections, listen on ports, transfer files, and scan for open ports. Simple, but incredibly versatile. A must-have for any ethical hacker or security professional. Dive in and explore its capabilities. So there you have it. 18 top Kali Linux tools for ethical hackers, essential for anyone looking to break into cybersecurity or level up their skills. Most tools are free and open source, so start experimenting and learning. Mastering these tools is just the first step. Invest in your education and get hands-on experience in a safe, legal environment. Dive in, explore these tools, and start building your cybersecurity skill set today.